everyone, and good afternoon. Today is Saturday, August 2nd, 2 p.m. I'm doing this a little early because there was a drama going on in the family. Once again, I'm freaking sick of this. But I'm going to do the outlook today. For tomorrow, this is tomorrow's outlook. We got a module that encompasses the whole panhandle of Texas, the whole panhandle of Texas, the whole panhandle of Nebraska, the whole panhandle of Oklahoma, and the whole western side of Kansas, and the whole western side and the whole eastern side of Colorado, and extreme southern South Dakota, and we have another module for Central Oregon. The module for tomorrow encompasses Lubbock, Texas, Amarillo, Texas, Albany, Texas, Wichita Falls, Texas, Midland, Texas. Okay, and the probability of tornadoes for tomorrow, we got a 2% for damaging tornadoes over here for central panhandle of Texas, if that makes sense. In other words, it's panhandle central, so it's like central panhandle of Texas. Alright, the 2% for tomorrow encompasses Lubbock, Texas, Amarillo, Texas, Albany, Texas, Big Spring, Texas, and Plainview, Texas. Alright, for damaging wind gusts tomorrow, we got a 5% for the panhandle of Oklahoma, the panhandle of Nebraska, the panhandle of Texas, the whole western side of Kansas, and the whole western side of Colorado, and the panhandle of Nebraska, even though I'm pretty sure I already said that, and extreme southern South Dakota. And we have another 5% for over here for Central Oregon. And alright, the 5% for damaging wind gusts tomorrow is located. Well, what am I saying? Lubbock, Texas, Amarillo, Texas, Albany, Texas, Wichita Falls, Texas, Midland, Texas. And I'm trying to rush through this because I just want to be, but I will try my best to finish because I have something to deal with today. It's so annoying. And we got 5% for large hail tomorrow, for the panhandle of Oklahoma, the panhandle of Texas, the panhandle of Nebraska, the whole western side, the whole eastern side of Colorado, and the whole western side of Kansas. Alright, the 5% for damaging hail size: Lubbock, Texas, Amarillo, Texas, Albany, Texas, Midland, Texas, and Odessa, Texas. But that is today's outlook. I'll go over it again for y'all. Again, we got a marginal for the panhandle of Nebraska, the panhandle of Texas, the panhandle of Oklahoma, and the whole eastern side of Colorado, the whole western side of Kansas, and Central Oregon. There's a marginal up there too, as well. And the tornado for tomorrow, we got 80% for north central Texas. We can just say that, north central Texas. Extreme north central Texas. How about that? And the probability for damaging wind. For damaging wind gusts tomorrow, we got 5% for the panhandle of Texas, the panhandle of Nebraska, the panhandle of Oklahoma, and the whole eastern side of Colorado, the whole western side of Kansas as well. And we got another 5% for Central Oregon. And okay, the 5%. I'll go over the words after. The 5% for tomorrow encompasses for a large hail. For the panhandle of Oklahoma, the panhandle of Texas, the panhandle of Nebraska, and the whole eastern side of Colorado, the whole western side as well as Kansas, and another 5% for Central Oregon. Alright, the 5% for tomorrow. So the category for tomorrow, the marginal encompasses Lubbock, Texas, Amarillo, Texas, Albany, Texas, Wichita Falls, Texas, Midland, Texas. The tornado for tomorrow, 2% Lubbock, Texas, Amarillo, Texas, Albany, Texas, Big Spring, Texas, and Plainview, Texas. 5% for tomorrow encompasses for large hail. Damaging wind gusts, 5% for Lubbock, Texas, Amarillo, Texas, Albany, Texas, Wichita Falls, Texas, and Midland, Texas. And the large hail tomorrow is encompasses Lubbock, Texas, Amarillo, Texas, Albany, Texas, Midland, Texas, and Odessa, Kansas, Texas. Well, I hope you do stay safe and stay by the way, and I'll see you tomorrow morning for the day one outlook. And also, I forgot to mention, I'm filling you for Johnny Thunder, ES, and Weather, as he's hanging out with a couple friends. But again, I hope you do stay safe and stay by the way. And I'll see you all tomorrow morning for the day one outlook. But again, I'm filling in for Johnny Thunder, ES, and Weather. But I hope you stay safe and stay by the way. And I'll see you about the morning. And I apologize for me rushing through it. It's just there is a lot of drama going on in my family right now. And if this doesn't drop, then I will have someone else fill in for me today. But again, I hope you do stay safe.